Hello children, we are going to start our third chapter of standard ninth. The previous two chapters, the first one was from history, the second one was from civics, and the third one that we are going to start is from geography. The third chapter that we are going to start is chapter number 13. The name of the chapter is India, Location, Geographical Structure and Physiography Part 1. So this is the chapter that we are going to study. In this particular chapter we are going to study about the region of India, the location of India and various geographical structures and physiography related to India. So without wasting time, let us start. India holds a unique position among the countries of the world. Let us first change the color of the pen. Yes. India holds a unique position among the countries of the world. India is a country having largest democracy. Now you need to remember this. India is the largest democracy in the world. And its culture is one of the oldest. Okay, Indian culture is considered one of the oldest cultures of the world. Now if you see, there are mainly five civilizations that are considered the oldest civilizations in the world. And Indian civilization is also known as one of those civilizations, and that's why we can say our culture is very rich. Our culture is very rich and very unique. It has the largest democracy in the world. See, India, we already know about this. India has the largest democracy in the world. The coordinating altitude of our culture have been not discarded any religion. See, our country has not discarded means removed or stayed away any religion. In other place, India have actually accepted all the religion, race or people. All other religion, place and people have been accepted by us, thus accepting them wholeheartedly. Thus impartiality towards all religion, people and race is a peculiar characteristic in India. See, India is impartial towards all religion, means all religions are considered same, equal. Even all the people and races are considered same. Is one of the peculiar means very special, very important, very unique feature of India. That is why India has become a cultural confluence cultural confluence means mixture of all the cultures. It is considered mixture of all the cultures, right? Even though many natural and man-induced disasters have taken place, India has consistently continued that progress. See, man-induced disaster. In your standard 8, you already studied about different kind of disasters, right? So there are many natural and man-induced. Like right now, COVID-19 is one of the man-induced disasters. COVID-19 is one of the man-induced disasters. India has consistently continued her progress. India has not stopped her progress, but it has continued in her all way. The geographical condition have contributed immensely towards the development. See, now why India is developing very fast? Then geographical condition of our country is very important. The geographical location of our country is considered the most important factor due to which India is progressing very fast and have contributed immensely toward development of Indian culture. See, due to the geographical location, the development is very fast. Okay. Now here you can see the location of India. Now you can see the location. Here is equator. This line is the 0 degree. It's the equator. Okay. and here is the 0 degree longitude. So if you divide the world into 4 segments, India falls into this particular part. India falls here. Okay, and it is above the equator. It is above the equator, right? It is above. This is the equator, and this is, okay, the northern hemisphere, and this is the southern hemisphere, right? Northern and the southern hemisphere. So India falls in the northern hemisphere, and in which quarter it falls? That it falls into this particular quarter. You can say northeastern quarter. Northeastern quarter. India is located into northeastern quarter. Now let us see about the location and size of India. Location and size of India. We are going to see about the location and size of India. Geographically, India lies in the northern hemisphere. See, I had already told you, as I told you, geographically, India lies in the northern hemisphere. It extends up to southern part of Asian continent. The span of mainland, this you need to remember, is 8 degree 4 minute. Now this is very important that you need to remember. 8 degree 4 minute. Now this is known as degree. This is known as degree, and this is known as minute. Now you need to remember why degree in minute, that we will discuss later on. Okay, so here 38 degree 4 minutes and 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude, and 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. So that is the span of India. That is the span of India. The Tropic of Cancer, this you need to remember. The Tropic of Cancer, which is located 23.5 degree north and divides the country into almost two half and passes through the center of India. What is the latitude of Tropic of Cancer? Then it's 23.5 minutes. 23.5 minutes, and it passes through India. It passes through India and it divides India into almost two parts. See, its northern plain is spread more in eastern direction, east-west direction. North India, its northern part is spread more into east-west direction. The large plain and the Himalayan mountain system are located in this part. Okay, what is in the northern side of India? Then the Himalayan mountain system is located into that part of India. The areas to the south of Tropic of Cancer has a triangular shape. If you see India, then at the bottom here end of it there is a triangular shape. Okay, and India is surrounded with Arabian Sea on one side, Indian Ocean on other, and Bay of Bengal on the one side. So you can say the part of India, this is India, and part of India is surrounded with three sides, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. Okay, so I hope you understood that. The area of south of Tropic of Cancer has a triangular shape, okay, and tapers towards the south. Tapers means it is going the southern way. This is the basic part of peninsular plateau. It includes the eastern plains and the narrow western coastal plains of India. The latitude as well as the longitude extent of India is almost equal. It is about 30 degrees. But actually the length between Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 32 214 kilometers, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh the width is 2933 kilometers. There is a difference of 5 hours in the local time between two extreme places of Gujarat, as well Gujarat in the west up to Arunachal Pradesh in the east due to the longitudinal difference. Now we know about this. As I told you, the sun takes 4 minutes to pass from one longitude to other. It takes 4 minutes to pass from one longitude to other. Now if you divide India span into longitudes, there are 30 longitudes into it, so 30 into 4, so that will give you 120 minutes. 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. So when in Gujarat there is say 6 a.m. in Arunachal Pradesh it's already 8 a.m. right? The sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh first, then in Gujarat. But this will create lot of problem. And due to that, India have taken a Indian Standard Time (IST) for easy management of the time system. Right? Let us read further. See, when it rises, sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh, it is still night time in Gujarat. Okay, the standard meridian of India is 82.30 minutes. Remember this: 82.30 minutes is the standard meridian time of India. It passes through 5 states. Its local time except as the standard time. So whatever time is here is considered as the Indian Standard Time. Right? Indian Standard Time. So India is divided into 30 longitudes, and each longitude has 4 minutes. So 4 minutes into 30 is 120 minutes, and that is equal to 2 hours. Now here you can see, okay, this here you can see this is the 82.30 minutes longitude, and it is the Indian Standard Time. Whatever time is here is considered as Indian Standard Time, right? The span you can see from here to here, it's 2933 kilometers, while from here till bottom here it's 3214 kilometers. Okay, now if you see from here, then this is 30 degrees from here to here, and from top to bottom also it is 30 degrees. Total area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometers. This again you need to remember. The total area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometers. India ranks 7th in the world in terms of area. See, India ranks 7th in the term of area in the world. India is 7th in the world. Other 6 countries are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. These are the 6 countries which are larger than India. Now I have discovered a way to easily remember this. Okay, easily remember it. You need to remember this word cub, CUB, car, CAR. These are the 6 countries that are larger than India: Canada, USA, Brazil, China, Australia, and Russia. So this is a easy way. This is a easy way to remember cub car. Cub car. The six countries which are bigger than India. The six countries which are bigger than India. The land area of India lies in South Asia. This we need to remember. The land area of India lies in the south of Asia. In the north, lofty mountain ranges are spread over hundreds of kilometers from west to east directions. Okay, if you see here, there are Himalayan mountains into this particular region. That is why the commuting with Tibet and China is possible only through passes. Passes are basically where the narrow gaps between two mountains are called pass. The narrow gap between two mountains are called pass. So it is only possible to go from Tibet to China from India through those passes. Bay of Bengal lies in the east. Bay of Bengal is in the east, right? Arabian Sea in the west. Arabian Sea is on the west of India, and Indian Ocean is at the south of India, and that's why India is a peninsula. Peninsula means a land mass surrounded on three sides with water. A land mass surrounded on three sides with water is known as peninsula. The sea is utilized as a waterway. Okay, the sea is utilized as a waterway, and that is a great thing for India. Even though the land routes are obstacled by surrounding mountains, okay, the land routes are obstacled by mountains on sides, India have accepted all the cultural elements arriving from outside, and this have merged in Indian society. See, a lot of people have come to India from all sides. Okay, the Mughals had come, right? Even the Britisher, all of them had come. Mongolians had come. A lot of people have come to India from different sides. India have accepted all the culture and merged into the Indian society. That is considered one of the unique features of the Indian society. That is considered one of the unique features of Indian society. Okay, so we'll keep till there for today.